This is my wood stove. I use it to heat my studio, and it is a homemade jobber. I've had it for 17 years. I know when I need to clean the chimney of my wood stove when I am charging and a little bit of smoke comes out. If I wait, that gets worse and worse and more smoke comes out. Creates a health hazard and a fire hazard. So this one puffs a little bit now, and it is fall and it is getting ready to get pretty cold. So I'm going to clean this. It's got a couple elbows in it. I'm going to show you how. It's not very hard, but it is a little messy. Let's get into it. When I'm cleaning a chimney, I like to have some newspaper to set the pieces of flue on when I take them apart, and this makes it easier to clean up all of the creosote that's coming out of the chimney, and I can also just bundle it up into little packages and burn it. All I need to do is carefully work this thing apart. It's a little messy. You don't want to do this in your fancy clothes. Whoop! Almost lost control of that. And there you can see all that creosote that just fell out of there. You can see on the inside how it's just built up, and all that stuff not only decreases the size of the flue, but it also kind of adds as friction, which will slow down that smoke, which you don't want it to be slowed down. You want it to get out of here so you don't have to breathe it. See down in there? All right, so I'm just gonna keep taking this all apart. Now I'm gonna get my brush, run it through these guys, and also vacuum out the chimney up here. I'm gonna check the chimney. That it goes into a block chimney, and I'm gonna check it and see if I need to clean that too. That part usually doesn't get as dirty as these, so we're gonna find out if I need to sweep that top part as well. So here's my chimney brush, and this is a rod, and it has fittings on both sides, so I can make it really long. I just need it short right now because this is all apart, and I'm going to run this thing through. It's going to clean those up. Okay, now I'm going to bundle this up and set it aside to burn later. Watch this. Got a lot of it out, just tapping. See down in here. Now that's where the second baffle is, and the smoke has to come up and around that and start his journey up the flue. And that is pretty big pile. Get the vacuum. All right, not too bad. I'll clean that up a little bit more. But I can see all the way down there, so that's good. Mild creosote here and there, but this is a good draw on that. Ta-da! We're ready for winter. So you can see that cleaning the old chimney might not be that hard, but it is pretty messy. And no matter how messy it is, if you're getting smoke coming out of the door when you're charging your fire, or if the fire's burning slowly, it doesn't matter what time of year it is, you're gonna need to clean that chimney so you don't have any issues with respiratory illnesses or a chimney fire. Your wood does actually matter to how well your chimney will stay clean and how well your fire will burn. And if you're interested in that, check out this one right here. And in the meantime, good luck with all your greenhouse gas reduction projects, and thanks for watching.